Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0012 intake camshaft position timing retarded for bank number 1. The first common problem is going to be caused by a bad oil control valve or a bad VANOS, depending on what vehicle you drive. Basically, the function is going to be the same, and it is to control the oil flowing to the VVT system or the VANOS system. Here is a close-up view of the VANOS solenoid or oil control valve or VCT solenoid, also known as variable camshaft timing solenoid. And again, it depends on the vehicle you drive, but the function is going to be about the same, and that is to control the oil flow going to the camshaft for timing. When this solenoid failed, it will definitely trigger P0012 code. Now, what causes the solenoid to fail? And there are a lot of reasons. Number one is I always check engine oil level. Make sure you have proper engine oil level, because if you don't have proper engine oil level, the solenoid is not going to work properly. The second reason why the solenoid failed, it is going to be caused by clogs. If the filter becomes clogged, again, it can trigger that code. The next thing is that you're going to have a connection issue. If there's a lot of engine oil on it and it gets to the connection, it can cause, again, poor connection. Also, make sure to check the wire and make sure it is not broken, cracked, and make sure the insulator did not come apart on it. If you replace the solenoid and you're still getting P0012 code, the next thing you should check for is going to be caused by a stretch timing chain. If the timing chain is extremely stretched, it can definitely cause P0012 code. If the timing chain is not the issue, and let's say you had to replace and you're still getting that code, the next problem you should check for is going to be a bad timing tensioner or a bad or worn out timing guide. If the timing chain is worn and the timing guide is worn, or the tensioner is worn and it cannot apply proper tension, it will cause more slack in the timing system. Again, it can trigger P0012 code. And of course, working on a timing system is going to be pretty expensive. So again, make sure that you don't have a bad solenoid, and make sure to always check this part first before tearing apart your timing system. The next part, it is going to be caused by a failing or worn out oil pump. If that oil pump is worn out, engine oil cannot properly circulate inside the engine, and critical components such as the solenoid or the timing tensioner, these parts will not work properly if you have a bad oil pump. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.